Hi traders, I welcome you to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the clever order blocks for MT4 and MT5. All right, so you can find the link to the clever order blocks on the Forex Geek channel. You can find the link in the description. Now, this indicator is not free, at least not on the MT4 marketplace. It is going for 290 US dollars here on the MT4 marketplace. And we are just going to be looking at how the indicator works, so that if it is something you are interested in, then you can proceed to trying it out on the free demo first. I always recommend you try out any, paid indicator here on MT4 marketplace. You try it out first on the free demo, and then if it meets your expectations, you can proceed to make the financial commitment that you intend to make. Right here, if you click on the free demo, it's going to bring out these two options for you. If you have the MT4 platform, it will take you to where you can try out the free demo. But if you do not have the platform, then you would have to download it first. Right, the clever order blocks indicator, as the name implies, it helps you to point out zones, right? Important zones, order block zones, right? Where institutional orders, usually are found. Okay, so let's just go straight to the chart. So we can see that the indicator identifies important zones for you and also plots arrows. So the red downward arrow gives you sell signal, the yellow upward arrow gives you buy signal. You can see that there are important zones, the order block zones, being identified by the chart. So you have a combination of your zones being plotted and the arrows being displayed. So those two signals, help you with direction to trade. Right, it shows you which direction to trade. Okay, here we have a green arrow, here we have a red arrow, a green arrow, right? Okay, and here we have a yellow arrow upward, here we have a green arrow upward. Okay, so here we have a purple arrow downward. Okay, I think I'm just going to focus more on the direction, and I believe the colors should be customizable. So let's focus on the direction of the candle instead of the colors. I mean the direction of the arrows instead of the colors. So whenever you notice an upward arrow appear, especially after a bullish order block has been identified, then of course you should look out for executing a buy trade. And when you notice that a downward arrow has appeared, especially after a bearish order block has been identified, then you want to look out for sell opportunities. But please ensure that you always get confirmations before you execute your trades. And then employ proper risk management. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and ensure that you do not over leverage. Use proper lot sizing. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.